Hey guys, it's unfortunately I'm going to be showing you guys how to download Slender 8 pages, the game, for free. Alright, we're going to go to Google, type in Slender 8 pages. You're going to put in Slenderman, just put in Slender 8 pages, then go to Dark Hole Games, click on it. Let's go all the way down till you get to here. Now click on download. Wait for it to load. While you're waiting, you can read the little comments. There's only 4 of them right now, I think. Nope, there's more. No, there's not. Alright, whatever. Oh, you can check out your Twitter. How long it's taking for your thing to upload. Okay, it's almost uploaded. Alright, come on. Stuff like that, you know what I mean? That's pretty much it. Look through my tweets. Alright, and it's done. Then you click open photo. Where is it done? Yeah, it's done. Click open photo. Said you click open photo. Right click. Nope, you just double click. Double click again. Now you scan it. Okay, I cannot scan it. Alright. Now you just click on this. Extract all. Yes. You just wait for it to extract. Hopefully I get no viruses from this. That'll be very, 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 very bad. Either way, you just keep waiting and waiting and waiting. Yeah. Okay, then if you want to have it on your desktop, if it didn't automatically put it on your desktop, go all the way right here. Skins. Well, then you click on this, click that, put it down here. Now voila! It's right there on your desktop, and you can click it whenever you want to click it, don't want it, or whatever. Alright, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like this video. Leave a like if you. Oh, I hope you guys like this video. Leave a like if you like it. Leave a dislike if you disliked it. You can follow my ass and link down below as always. Peace.